Welcome back to Chef and Taste. Today I'm making the most luxurious Shahi Paneer, rich, creamy, and fit for royalty. This restaurant-style recipe is ready in just under an hour. Let's start by heating 1 tablespoon of butter in a heavy-bottomed pan. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Now 1 teaspoon of Jeera, 1 bay leaf, 3 green cardamom pods, 2 cloves, and 1 inch of cinnamon stick. Add 5 black peppercorns for that subtle heat. Roughly crush 10 garlic pods. This releases their aromatic oils beautifully. 1 inch of ginger, roughly chopped. One green chilli. Now add 2 medium sliced onions. Stir everything well and let the onions turn translucent. This builds the foundation of our royal gravy. Add 4 medium tomatoes, roughly chopped. Mix well and let them soften completely. Three Kashmiri Red Chillies and 15 cashew nuts. Add salt as per your taste. Now we let everything cook together until the tomatoes break down completely and the mixture becomes fragrant. For another rich creamy paneer dish, check out my paneer butter masala recipe, link at the top right corner. Pour in 1 cup of hot water to help everything cook evenly. Mix well and let it simmer. Once cooled, remove the bay leaf and cinnamon stick. Transfer this beautiful mixture to your mixer jar. Add a little water to help with blending. Grind it into a smooth, silky paste. Now here's a pro chef tip. Strain this paste for restaurant quality smoothness. Look how beautifully the paste is straining through. This extra step makes all the difference in texture. Keep this luxurious puree aside. In a fresh pan, heat 2 tablespoons of butter. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder for that golden glow. 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder for vibrant, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder for earthy depth, and 1 teaspoon of jeera powder for warmth. Mix these spices well into the butter. Now add half cup of fresh curd. Mix continuously for about a minute. This prevents the curd from splitting and ensures a smooth gravy. Pour in our strained puree gradually. Mix gently, allowing the spices and puree to mix. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a delicious dish. Add water to adjust the consistency. Mix well and let it come to a gentle simmer. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. This balances the spices with a subtle sweetness. Gently add 500 grams of paneer cubes. handle them carefully to keep them intact. Adjust salt as per your taste. Remember, we added some earlier. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of garam masala for that aromatic finish. And 1 teaspoon of crushed kasuri methi. Mix gently, coating every paneer cube in this royal gravy. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves. 4 tablespoons of fresh cream. Give it one final gentle mix, preserving those beautiful cream. Garnish with more coriander leaves and a drizzle of fresh cream for that stunning presentation. Serve hot with naan, roti, or jeera rice. If this recipe made you crave Shahi Paneer, hit that like button, share it with fellow paneer lovers, and subscribe to ChefNTaste for authentic recipes every week. Happy cooking!